summertime when the weather is high. You can straight right up and touch the sky. When the weather is high, you got women on your mind. Have a drink, have a drive, go out and see what you can find. If a daddy's rich, take her out for a meal. If a daddy forgets to do what you feel, speed along the lane, do a turn of 25. When the sun goes down, you can make it good and play by. Well, howdy there, pluckers. Arthur Saw Fingers again with another classic oldie for you. This time from Mungo Jerry, of course, and the big hit of his called In the Summertime. So, standard tuning and no capos, and this is my take on a Campfire version, okay? On the original version, obviously, there are several instruments, a banjo, a piano and a guitar, and they're all basically chunking away on this little earworm riff, like that bit, okay? So obviously it's not going to be quite as full as the original version, but hopefully, you know, just for a get together, you know, sing along, it's going to be fine, just single guitar. So let's get to it and break it down for you. Right then, boys and girls, in its basic form, it's basically a 3-chord trick. Okay, you've got an E chord, an A chord, which I'm playing up on the 5th fret as an F shape. We could play the 5th string along with that if you like. Okay, and then up 2 frets to the 7th fret on an F shape chord as a B chord. Okay. So there's only 3 chords in the song, and it just repeats round and round again, the same sort of sequence. Okay, so obviously the main thing about this song is the earworm type riff. Okay, that bit is the main thing you remember, isn't it? I think. So what I'm doing there, so it starts off for the intro. We do just the intro section, and then basically it's the same for everything else, really. Okay, it starts off with an E chord, okay, and you play the 2nd string on its own and hammer up to the 2nd fret on the B string, the 2nd string, with your pinky. Right, and then you play the top string open. Okay, and when you've done that, it kicks off. Okay, but when you do that, do a strum, right, and you sort of da da da, that's right, da da da, right, so it's down, downstroke, and then up, down, okay, right, right, and what that is again, it's all to do with this pinky, okay, it's on, off, so it's right, and that's all strummed, down, up, right? Alright, so it's down, up. So we got, and then what we do is this first finger comes into action, and you open up the 3rd string, take the 1st finger off, and then hammer back in, and then the 2nd on the 4th, so that finishes on that 2nd on the 4th. Okay, so now you've got this slowly. Okay, got that idea? And you can mix and match how you pick it or strum it. Okay, so it's, but that's in this basic form. It's okay, so you do that twice, and then we go up to the F shape on the 5th fret, and we do. So all that is the A chord, and your pinky is playing the 7th fret on and off on the 2nd string. It's like A to A6, and you start off with it on, So it sort of goes with the melody, yeah. Da, 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 da. So it's all down, up, down, down. Da, 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 it's up, da, 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 da. So far. Again. Okay, does that once there. Then we go up to this B chord, the 7th fret, F shape, and we start off with just the B, simple B, and then we put your pinky this time on the top string, 9th fret of, right, so now we've got this right from the beginning, so let's get that far. Okay, so as far as we've got. Then we go back down to the A shape, 5th fret. And what we do with this on this one is we start off like we did with the B, with the pinky on the top E string on the 7th fret, and then we work that down. So we on, and then we go to the 7th fret on the 2nd string with pinky, on and off, and we're back to that one again. Okay, so the whole thing very slowly, okay, try and slow it down right as fast, slow as I can without making it sound stupid. Okay, here we go. Try and do that even slower, okay? And then it just repeats over and over again, okay, and that's all there is in it, okay. Hopefully you managed to get hold of that. It's I mean, obviously I don't play it exactly the same each time. This that bit, it's a bit you know, it's changeable, but it's just the general feel of it all really is more important. It doesn't have to be precisely exactly the same each time you play it, as long as it sounds something like the original, okay? Summertime, when the river is high, it's dried up and touch the sky. When the weather's bad, you go worrying on your mind. Have a drink, have a drive, go out and see what you can find. If my daddy's rich, take a ride for a meal. And if daddy's poor, just do what you feel. Speed along the lane, do a ton of 25. When the sun goes down, you can make it good and lay back. There you have it, boys and girls. In the Summertime by Mungo Jerry on a single acoustic. Thanks very much for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.